Game ball. First ball possession goes to Pisan. Number 28 pass to Jersey. Number 5. Number 5 pass to number 4. Number 4 pulls up. Sablay nakakuha ni number 28. Pulls up. Sablay pa rin. Nakakuha ni number 4. Put back. Sablay nakakuha ng Westdale Compadre. Number 3. And number 3. Tinira Sablay. Nakakuha ni Miko. Out the pass sa Noah.
Change by po tayo. Top Ronald is back. Welcome to the club. Number 17. Pull up. Sablay na rebound ni Jimzo. Nakasalutan. Ball. Pass his teammate number 31. Pudo. Crossover. Para ball. Sablay. Nakuha ni. 31 pa rin. Hop. Big. Pass to Top Ronald. 2 points para kay number 25. Oh my God. Bob, may double foul. Who's fouled? Number 31. Number 31, first personal foul and first team foul. We start 2 points para kay number 7. Number 31. Tapos. Number 35. Third set. Up. Number 6. Sablay. Nakuha ni number 15. 15 to shoot. Number 31, lays it up, sabay pa rin, nakuha na number 15 ang bola. Number 15 to number 28. To number 00, up. Number 11.
Hey, mamaya.
15 to shoot. Up. 3 seconds violation. Pakilampot po ng itlog at ilaga bukas. Number 15.